It's okay, my little boy.
You're barely
Where are you from?
I am. I'm a little boy, but hi. Hey Blasters, Sean from Blue Dog Blasting.
And I'm from.
And we've got some new product to bring you that we are going to show you a little sneak peek of. Stay tuned. Ah, you right in the face. So hey Blasters, if you've been to the website, obviously you see all of the categories up front. If you've gone to our hoses category before, a lot of times you're always looking for your 2-plies and your 4-plies and everything, but you've always seen that category of air hose. Now I built that little feller out a little while ago because we started stocking a bunch of air hose stuff. I just haven't had the opportunity to build it out for you just yet, but it is definitely on my list of things to do before the end of the year here. So I wanted to go over some of the parts and pieces that we do have for you that are going to go into that air hose category. Hey Kev, let's show them what we got.
Incoming!
We've got 2 lug fittings. We've got clamps for those 2 lug fittings to attach them to your red air hose. We've got 4 lug fittings, female threaded in multiple different sizes, along with the 4 lug air shank, so you actually jam that into your hose so that you can plug into those fittings. We also have the red air hose in a couple different dimensions, and we're going to get you all set up to make Blue Dog a little bit more productive for you, the blaster. So if you have any comments or critiques or questions or suggestions as to what other product offerings in the air hose category you would like to see on the website, list them below, man. There's plenty of room for you. Type in a comment, let us know how we can help you, and that way you can get out there and blast.
Get out there and blast!
Totally forgot about Facebook. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Go to Facebook, like us, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, by the way. And we'll see you over at bluedogblasting.com. Get out there and blast.
Get out there and blast.
All right, get out there and blast.
Get out there and blast!
Stay tuned.